having consistent issues trying to replace tires, and I really just cannot seem to do it. In your video on how to replace a tire, you put the tube in here, and I'm trying to not even do that, to just have more room of flexibility here. But what I get left with is just this spot right here, to even get half of it through, because my plan is to get half of the tire through, put the tube in, and then finish the other half. But I cannot do it. I do not understand how you do it in that video, even though I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm putting all my weight on the tire, I'm pushing with my hand to get as much as I can down to this edge, and then I'm using, you know, this screwdriver, I'm using a fatter, shorter screwdriver, and I'm trying a tire lever, and I'm using WD-40 and this lubricant, and it's just impossible. I've broken about 4 or 5 screwdrivers trying to get it, and I just cannot get it over this lip. So any other advice would be greatly appreciated, because I don't want to just send people new motors if we don't have to, of course. But I cannot figure out how to do this change. It's easier to see in retrospect what I could have done to help.